This is part 7 of a multi-part training series that will show various ways to create animations without using a single keyframe. In the last 6 videos, you saw how to create animations without using a single keyframe using the following techniques. See the link below for details. In this video, I will show you how to create an animation without using a single keyframe using a series of scenes by first selecting the following: video ratio, video style, video scenes, and video music style. With that executive summary in mind, let's look at a simple example. Open Create Studio and click on the Lightning Builder button. Click on the video ratio that you would like to use for your project. In my case, I will select the standard 16:9. Scroll through the list of video styles to find the one that you would like to use. In my case, I would like to click on this one since I would like to create a logo reveal. Click on as many video scenes as you would like to add to your project. Hover over a thumbnail to see a preview of the scene and then click the Add Scene button. To save time, I will only select 3. Notice the scenes were added at the top of the screen in the order that they will appear in your project timeline. Click the blue Go To Editor button to go to the next step. Click on a music style that you would like to use in your project or click the Skip button. Press the 0 key or the spacebar key to play the current animation. Notice the animation was created without using a single keyframe. However, you will want to change, delete, or adjust the graphics, text, video, sound in the scenes to meet your specific needs. In my case, I will open up the opener scene by clicking the Open Group button. Then I will delete all of the layers except the first video layer in the group by selecting each one and pressing the Delete key. I will then change the background from black to transparent so that the underlying layer can be seen later. Press the Back to Main Timeline button. Then I will move the layer up and the futuristic layer down and slide it over to about the 1 second mark on the timeline. You'll see why in a minute. I'll move the playback head so that I can see the logo and text on the futuristic layers, which will be changed in the next step. With the futuristic layer still selected, in the settings panel, I will change the first 3 properties. I'll change the logo, obviously, to my logo. I'll change the name to Create Studio Made Easy. And I'll change the website to Let the Magic Begin. I will slide the third scene to the edge of the futuristic scene and move it down to minimize the number of layers in the timeline. With the third scene still selected, I will move the playback head toward the center of the layer to see the logo and text. In the settings panel, I will change the logo to my logo again and the text to this URL. Finally, I will replace the background music with another background music. I will first delete this background music by selecting it and then pressing the Delete key. I will then select Favorite, type in a search word, and drag it to the bottom of the timeline. For some background music, it is best to look at the waveform to see what can be trimmed off the edge, if necessary. Reduce the size of the music layer so that it can fit under the other layer. Match the end of the layer to the longest layer, and then extend the beginning to the start of the timeline so the background music ends on a high note instead of being abruptly cut off. You may also want the music to match the high waveforms with what is going on in the scenes or the transitions between scenes. Press the 1 key to reset the playback head to the beginning of the timeline if necessary. Press the 0 key or the spacebar key to play the animation. In the next video, I'll show you how to do another type of animation without using a single keyframe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.